Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody and Barrett with your business updates for today. Jamaica's agriculture sector is set to receive greater support from international markets with the launch of the AgriConnect initiative. The project forms part of a global strategy by the World Bank Group aimed at transforming the agri-food sector through digital inclusion. The launch comes as the region seeks to strengthen food security and reduce its dependence on imported food. The initiative was conceived after a group of experts convened by the World Bank identified agriculture and agribusiness as one of the 5 sectors globally with the greatest potential to absorb young people entering the labor market. Globally, AgriConnect is backed by an estimated $9 billion in annual financing and could mobilize an additional $5 billion in investments to strengthen innovation, financing, and agricultural service ecosystems. The initiative also aims to support up to 300 million smallholder farmers by 2030, helping to transition them from subsistence farming to more productive agricultural enterprises. And the CARICOM Private Sector Organization Chief Executive Officer and Technical Director says researchers have identified 333 import displacement opportunities tied to frequently traded products across CARICOM, with 125 of those opportunities concentrated in agriculture.
Of the 125 opportunities, only about 82% of them are actually utilized. Now, it doesn't mean that they're fully utilized, but it means that we're actually utilizing only about 66% of the products in agriculture that we've identified are opportunities, and where our food and agriculture and food and nutrition security is an issue that's important.
However, he says CARICOM will need stronger business-to-business connections between supplier markets, along with improved port and trade facilitation systems to fully capitalize on those opportunities. He argues that exporting remains difficult for many countries across the region.
We need to have investment in ports. We need to have investment in the sort of energy provision at ports. Increasingly, that's becoming a big issue. And our ports, many of them are past sort of the economic life in terms of being, efficient in giving the sorts of benefits we want.
He also pointed to the importance of regional shipping connectivity, highlighting Kingston and Port of Spain as 2 of the most heavily connected ports in CARICOM. Kingston, with direct links to 17 international destinations, was noted as being strategically positioned to support a hub-and-spoke trade arrangement across the region. He was speaking during a webinar held by the World Bank on Tuesday. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody and Barrett.